Hey guys, me and Miriam are having content day 2, part 2, because yesterday was cloudy, but it's a beautiful sunny day today. We are going in the Venice Beach area so we could shoot, because I have some swimsuits that I want to take pictures of, get reels of, and set for the thumbnail of my Shein swimsuit haul. I don't know which one will come out before this vlog. Hopefully the swimsuit haul will be up before this vlog, so then you'll know what I'm talking about. If so, then insert edit future Amy here, the thumbnail. Also, sorry, yesterday, day 1, I tried to vlog as I was taking me and Miriam's pictures, and I was so focused on the pictures that I didn't get any footage because the vlog was recording, but it was turned not facing us. Hopefully I do better today and we get some good footage. We did it.
My friend is so nice. My friend.
So we got the press as not only prop for one of my outfits, but I actually like press, and I bug you for press every time we're together.
Y'all get pressed. Y'all seen us.
I'm very notorious for having the first sip of anything that is mine, or the first dibs of whatever, because I just feel like it's not mine then if I didn't have it, you know? Yeah. But that's just a weird me thing. But today, Miri gets the first honorary sip.
Feeling honored.
Because I'm feeling generous. It's the Lime Power Greens. It's one of their new flavors for the summer.
Okay, honorary first sip.
Yes. Ooh.
Ooh. Tastes like all kinds of greens.
Oh. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it? Because I know we have different tastes. So I feel like if you don't like it, that means I'm going to love it.
7.
Okay.
It's good though.
Let me see.
It like kick you at the end.
I like it.
Yeah, it's good.
I was gonna say, if you don't really like it, I mean, I'm finna love it.
Right.
We made it to the beach. And now we're gonna take our pictures. Nervous, because there's some people around, but there's nothing you can do about that. But I'm shooting in this. This is what I'm gonna be rocking for outfit 1, and I'm on my way to get Miriam currently. This is my least favorite time of day for lighting, but we're gonna figure out a way to make it work, because we have to at this point. Somewhere near the beach. I don't know which beach this is.
Hey y'all.
But this is our first spot. So we're gonna see if we can do anything with this, because it's cloudy over here in this area. Okay, 1, 2, let's go. Nice meeting you. Oh my gosh. First of all, why did we just meet a fan of Miriam's out of nowhere on the street? The camera died, of course, unfortunately.
Is that Miriam the goddess?
I was running across the street, coming back from the car to change the battery because Camilla died. Thank you, Camilla. And then I almost got hit with a van on the way over, and the van almost got hit by. The driver is a fan of Miriam on Instagram.
Come on.
What in the, how I get hit by her fan? And then we all met and we was geeking out.
Come on.
What?
The connections for me.
Right.
Okay, we about to get it in with these photos.
Okay, Camilla, you need to stop playing now. It's our last battery today.
What we gonna do next?
I don't know. I feel like we should, well, I don't know, it depends on the weather, doesn't it? Because we haven't had a sunny shot.
Right, it's like super overcast right now, but honestly, if it wasn't, I don't think that the shots we just took would have came out that good, because it would have been super dark. But so we gonna find a new location. She's got what, 2 more outfits? So see y'all soon.
Over here going up some stairs looking for sunlight in the parking garage.
Parking garage-y.
I'm scared. my god, we did it and nobody came to stop us. Eh.
We did it. We did it.
Hooray! Now we fixed it.
All that.
Right. Alright, so I'm back from shooting and I am tired, but I have one more stop to make. Since I'm about to leave LA, I want to go visit one of my friends. Well, they invited me over, so I'm about to go visit and see their new place. So I'm gonna go inside now. Okay, accent. I'm gonna go inside my house now, quickly shower. I have leftover ramen. I might nibble on that a little bit, finish that off, change my clothes, and then go to my friend's house. Content day went exceptionally well. Started off on a odd foot. Energy was low because it was cloudy, so I was like, I don't know. I still got good, decent shots in the locations that we went to, even though it was cloudy over towards the beach. And I know it's super duper classic, basic starter pack IG model for you to get garage photos on top of a parking garage or somewhere in a parking garage. So I went back to my roots and I did that. Pay homage to the girls, okay? You'll be proud of me. Also, I forgot, big news. Okay, one of my reels just recently hit 10K. Actually, first it hit 10K and then it's now sitting at 11.5K. And I haven't had a reel hit 10K in a long time because I've been, life, as you can see in my other vlog, life has been kind of having me by a chokehold right now. So I took kind of a break, or I was posting inconsistently. But your girl is back with vengeance, okay? She's back, okay? And I got 11.5K on a reel, so I was like, come on, manifestation! And that was one of my goals this month too. And I crossed it off the list, so I'm actually really proud of myself. Wow. I was surprised though, because it wasn't a recent reel that hit 11.5K. It was an old reel from, I think, a month or two ago. I used a trending sound on it and it just blew up just now. So that is a reminder to everyone out there that the day you plant the seed is not the day you eat its fruit. That's a word to myself because I gotta remember that because I'd be so impatient. But yeah, this corset is giving Bridgerton. It's giving Bridgerton! I know, if you watch Bridgerton on Netflix, you know what I'm talking about. Like this video if you already have not. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok so you don't miss any of the content I post when you see I'm doing content day from these vlogs. Okay, love you. Good morning, beautiful people of LA and everywhere else that you're watching this video. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today's basically like day 4 or 5 of content creating. I can't even remember. I think we started making content since last Saturday and it's Wednesday. So you do the math. Basically, we've been going out every day. Well, I was gonna say batch creating, but I feel like batch is when you do it all in one day. But just because of like timing and lighting, we can't get everything done in one day. Well, for what we were doing. And y'all, I'm tired. Like, I'm trying to figure out, so when's my next off day? Because I don't even get paid for this yet. Okay, we have on this outfit. Okay, we couldn't get beach photos because it's so overcast still. We're just gonna try and get one photo. Are you gonna still take yours?
Yeah, I just left it in the car though. Okay,
so we're gonna get mine first in this orange number by Garish. The garage.
Make sure you flex too, so you don't you don't do what you talk about. No, I'll talk about what you saw.
At the back.
She's got her white dress on from Zara, yeah? Yeah. She's looking like a princess. We're gonna take pictures by this hairstyle. It's so hard to do. Right, this hairstyle we took like an hour to do.
Really though.
But she looks so good, right y'all? Right. And so this wooden fence has some flowers. Gonna get her pictures here, so gonna set y'all up.
This side. But you can still see the bang, right?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, where should I stop?
I guess before my strap, if possible. Well, I don't know what that looks like, so I guess we have to see.
Yeah. Ooh, that was so good.
We did it. We got the content because we are the because we are the best.
Hey.
We're back at the other location that we were originally at because now we're taking product shots
Yeah.
for Miriam.
Shout out to Good Molecule. The nextie for my bestie.
Okay, we finished.
We did it!
It's 4:33 and we just completed work.
Yes.
So now we're gonna go home and do more work. Well, I don't know what Miss Ma'am gonna do, but I'm gonna edit. So
I'm gonna eat.
I saw when I left, my dad had chicken on the counter defrosting. I said,
Come on, Dad.
please with the meal.
Come on, Dad. See y'all next time on beach day. The sun will be out.
I forgot.
Right.
It was like my worst nightmare. We've been out in this
The way she
Venice.
looked at the camera, she said, wait.
We've been out trapping in Venice for 3 days.
And have not been able to
Still
get
haven't gotten our beach
much
pictures.
at all.
No, because the weather always says it's sunny and then it don't be sunny.
Right. Yeah, honestly, we're gonna rain check every single day before we ever travel anywhere anymore. Cause
Okay, guys.
sayonara.
See you.
What the hook gon' be? I don't need no hook on this beat. Only singing niggas still good on these streets. Get a foreign whip and still pushing on it. I came a long way from nice.